Alright guys, you're looking here at a single cap custom fitted tooth. This one has open face. You can see it's a frame around the tooth, and it is a 10K solid gold. You got your 10K stamp right there in the back. There it is. All right, and this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. This is real gold, and it's handmade for perfect fit. You could choose which tooth you want it to go on. That's your choice. Quality handmade work, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.